You want to experience the very best of life, you must believe that you deserve the best. Too many religious people are taught to believe that they don't deserve anything. And some religious people even pray that prayer, "Oh Lord, I know I'm not worthy."
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to show you how you can make a couple of $100 every week. Every week, people. And this from a free app. I'm finna show you this free app. Let me get to it. You guys, some people know about it, some people don't. But the Dosh app, you guys, I have been paid $4.60 so far. And Dosh app is just a cashback app where you can get cashback at all your local stores like the Walmart, Pizza Hut, man, you know, your regular stores that you already shop at. Only thing you have to do is just download the link and just link a debit card to it so you can start getting cash back. So guys, lately, this is what I have made so far with my cash back. $4.60. You guys, every day they have been paying me. And let me just show you. So today is the 15th. I already made like $30 in rewards for today already. And today already it just started. It's 2-something in the morning. But I'm just want to show you. Let's go down right here. Let's go down to right here. Let's go down to right here. You guys, I cashed out on the 1st. $4.10. You guys, $4.10. And look what I have right now. Psh. Now how you can't make that? Only thing you have to do is just share your link. Once you download the app, just share your link with individuals and just tell them to link a debit card to this wonderful app. Free app. You didn't pay for anything. Just download it, get it, and just share it. Share the world. So you can make a couple of $100 every week. That's all I've been doing. So, you know, and then once you get your link, I'm thinking how you get your link, you just come right here to refer. Click that. And this is your link right here. You just copy that. Copy that link. And right now they have a promotion. Get $10. You know, up to the 11th. No, well, the 21st. November the 21st. So guys, get in. Get in. Get in. So hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.